In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tagembed in Framer. Start by opening your project in Framer. With the canvas visible, open the Insert panel. This is where all components and integrations live. In the Insert browser, head to the Social category. Look for the Tagembed component and add it to your canvas. Drop it roughly where you want your social feed to appear. You can refine placement and styling in a moment. With the Tagembed element selected on the canvas, go to the right-hand sidebar. Open the Position section to align your embed within the layout you're building. Choose the alignment that matches your design, and make sure the element is anchored where you expect it to sit as the page resizes. Next, open the Size section. Set a width and height that work for your layout. For responsive pages, a fluid width is often best, while height can be set to auto or a fixed value depending on how much of the feed you want visible without scrolling. If your design uses constraints, confirm they pair well with your section or container. Open the Overlays section and switch the behavior to Relative. This keeps the embed participating in normal document flow instead of floating above other layers, which is typically what you want for a feed that's part of the page content. Now open Cursor. If the embed is interactive or links out, setting the cursor to pointer can help communicate clickability. Otherwise, leave it at default for a standard reading experience. Move to Styles to match the look and feel of your site. Adjust background, corner radius, shadows, and spacing so the embed blends with your brand. Subtle padding around the component can improve readability and prevent edge-to-edge crowding. Open Transforms. If you need gentle scale or position tweaks, keep these light to maintain performance and accessibility, especially on mobile devices. Make sure the Tagembed layer itself is selected in your layers list. Then place it within a scroll section so it flows naturally with the rest of your page content. This keeps the layout predictable and ensures the feed scrolls as part of the section. For advanced behavior, open Code Overrides. This is where you can connect an override if your project uses them for interactions or state handling. If you're not using overrides, you can simply review and close this panel. When everything looks good, click Publish. In the dialog that appears, confirm by clicking Update to push your changes live. That's it! You've added Tagembed to your Framer